How to use Bitget coupon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can use a Bitget coupon. Now each coupon has a valid amount while some also have a discount ratio. Now coupons can be found and claimed from a reward center or an asset page. Now how you can find and claim a coupon is that you can find a coupon through the following method, that is profile. Then you could go to your dashboard. Then you could go to your reward section, and when you actually go to the reward section, you should be able to find the coupons. You can use it as a way. Likewise, coupons can only be used to offset spot and future trading future transaction fees, and each coupon contain a valid amount, and some have a discount ratio as well. Now for example, suppose you receive a 100 USD coupon with a 50% discount. You can make a trade with 10 USD transaction fees. You can use the coupon to deduct 50% of the transaction fees. The coupon will then have 95 USDT remaining for use in other trade. If you hold both coupons and trading bonuses, the coupon will be used first. Likewise, the coupon must be claimed while they are valid. Any coupons that are not valid in time will expire as well. So that is basically how you can use Bitget coupon. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.